Hello guys, welcome to Learn School Online. Today's video for JavaScript function. First we're starting from the coding. I'm show you the basic introduction of the JavaScript function. Now, so what is a JavaScript function? A JavaScript function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. Means a JavaScript function is a block of code. If you want to execute this code, you can call it anytime in your programming coding. A JavaScript function is a group of reusable code to perform a particular task, and it can be called anywhere in program. You can call the defining function in JS in anywhere in your programming code. A JavaScript function is defined with a function key keyword following by the name, following by the parentheses. Function parameters are listed the parentheses in function definition. So this is the basic definition of JavaScript function. Now I'm showing you the JavaScript function uses by the code, JavaScript code. This is my code editor brackets which I'm using for the coding, and I describe you how do JavaScript function work. First I'm defining a function. First I type function for a defining at the function, and I'm calculating the current age. Calculate current age. Now I put date of. I put a variable current age. Now see what is the current year 2019 and minus this parentheses means parameter and C, and return this variable. When anyone execute this function, the return value is comes, so I put the return keyword. This is a predefined keyword in JavaScript return. It's return the value which you execute the function. After that, execute the function. Return current age. Now someone is execute the function, they get the return the current age. Now I'm using this function. Now I'm execute this function var Raj age is equal to execute this function, calculate current age, and I put 190.88, and I copy this 4 times, and I put sun age, age, joy age, jack age. Now see, this is 1991, 90, and 84. Now see, and console that console. Now see the result in Chrome browser console element. The result is 31. Now I execute the other variables which I put console.log, put age, console.log, put joy age, console.log, put Now see, all current age is shown in console. Now JavaScript function is helping to does not rewrite the codes again and again. You have to write only one time and you can execute it's anywhere in your current code. Now I'm showing how to use a pre function to another function. And please subscribe my video channel. Please, I also put subscribe my YouTube channel. Now I'm showing you how to execute. I'm showing you the other example of function. Now I'm show you the other example of a good function. In this example, you know that the one function can be used by the other function. Now function the f is small all times when we define a function return I'm putting the two parameters in this name employee here. Now see, I'm using that function in this function. I'm using this function into this function. So see, var, because I'm calculating the age in this function, so I need to this function also in this function. So I need age is equal to this, and I put here. We can change these parameters anywhere, but we cannot change this function name if you're using one function to the another function. See, var retirement is equal to 65 minus age. I'm storing this old data to a variable var calculated retirement age is equal to. Now I put a variable var calculate retirement age. Put I show this variable employee name plus retirement after on plus I put this variable I am storing this I am doing this as a return when someone execute this function return. See, now someone is execute this function, it only put the employee name and the year of employee, then you calculate all these things. I put console put Raj is a string, so I'm putting in bracket single quotes. Now see what is the result in a Chrome extension. Raj retired after 34. Now see, now see. What is the result? I only put these two's value and all these things are executed and I get the result. If I put like that, put so 41, 81, I put Tomash and I put same 90 and 75. Now see what is the result. See all these outputs are come. So function is made easier rewriting work and it also use low memory because if you write multiple times a repeated code the memory is getting high. And all this thing you have know very well the function. You have learned the simple function, nested function, and you also use the anonymous functions. Means you have to put the two brackets with it. You can use the anonymous function. Like if you put like that, if you put function and do and you it's called anonymous function. It's execute when it JavaScript load. So so thanks for watching my YouTube video, and I hope that you. So thanks for watching my YouTube video. I hope that you learn today. You learn JavaScript function, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more video updates. I am putting lots of learning videos like JavaScript, PHP, Pythons, all this learning language I am putting on my channel. So get the proper updates of YouTube videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.